Welcome to the weekly weather outlook from the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. In this briefing, we'll take you through the weekend weather, what happened last week, and we'll give you a brief summary of what you can expect for the following week. We just got through another stormy week. It started off with mountain snow and quickly transitioned to more severe weather across the north and east. We had the largest hail in our forecast area in years as golf ball sized hail fell near Sussex and Johnson County. There was also another landspout reported in the Bighorn Basin and 70-mile-an-hour winds reported in Natrona County with these storms. The week ahead looks to remain unsettled. This weekend we have a storm system approaching from our west. On Friday, the trough will be just to our west, placing much of the region in the unstable front side of the system, with thunderstorms expected mainly across the northeast. On Saturday, the system moves across the forecast area, dragging a cold front along with it. For Father's Day, we dry out a bit, with a few showers and storms possible across the north, but not many. The system then lifts into northern Canada as a weak wave ejects ahead of the next system coming in from the northwest. This could make a few thunderstorms possible again across the northern mountains. For Tuesday and Wednesday, warm, dry air builds in from the south. So in summary, on Friday and Saturday, we're expecting unsettled weather with storms possible, mainly across the north and east. On Friday, some of these storms could be strong to severe, especially across Johnson County. A cold front pushes through late Friday night into early Saturday morning, with some storms continuing overnight along the front, especially along the I-25 corridor, including Casper. It'll be a bit more stable and cooler behind the front on Saturday, with mainly showers across the northern and central portions of Wyoming. It will also be cold enough to actually see some more snow across the northern and central mountains behind the front. It will also be quite windy on Friday with some wind gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour across Sweetwater County into Natrona County. Looks fairly nice for Father's Day with mainly dry conditions and recovering temperatures back into the 60s and 70s. Temperatures continue to rise into midweek with storms still possible across the north, but remaining dry across the south. Did I say snow again? Yes, I did. On Saturday, snow is possible above 7,000 feet in the northern mountains and above 8,500 feet in the central mountains. We're expecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in these areas. Rivers and creeks are still running high. The cooler temperatures in the mountains this weekend will slow that runoff a bit, but we still are expecting some rises, and those mainly occur at night in response to the melting snow. Some areas of concern for flooding this weekend, mainly along the Green River in rocks just outside of Green River, Wyoming, and LaBarge. And we're expecting some higher creeks and streams in the Absaroka foothills. We will also have some fire weather concerns, mainly on Friday across the south. We haven't had a whole lot of precipitation over the last couple weeks, so things are trying to dry out. The winds will be quite strong on Friday. These yellow shaded areas indicate wind gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour, and the blue shades anywhere in the 30 mile an hour range to 35 mile an hour, so they'll be going pretty good across the south. In addition, relative humidities will be below 20% across much of the state to start off with, but we do have some patches there where we're expecting it to go into the teens. The 8 to 14 day outlook, here we are here with below normal temperatures expected, but the precipitation isn't expected to be much. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please call us anytime at 1-800-211-1448. And please remember to stay safe this weekend while you're out recreating with your dad, and we'll see you next week.